Picture tens of thousands of fans surging through a stadium concourse. The logistics of moving that many human beings safely through concrete bottlenecks are staggering. Inside the operations center, security teams face a wall of monitors fed by hundreds of cameras. The human eye simply cannot track density, gate flow, and safety incidents across all those localized feeds simultaneously. The visual data required to spot a crowd crush or coordinate a safe exit is right there on the screens. It just remains entirely trapped as raw video that no human can parse fast enough. As a result, modern venues generate a massive surveillance footprint, recording thousands of hours of footage without yielding any actual, real-time operational intelligence to keep fans safe. The standard tech fix is to pipe all those video feeds out to a cloud provider, where heavy machine learning models crunch the footage and return analytics. But in Saudi Arabia, shipping identifiable footage of citizens across borders violates the Personal Data Protection Law, or PDPL. You cannot legally export biometric data to a third-party cloud. This Veebase security overview shows the rigorous standards required to handle protected data. The checkmarks for GDPR and HIPAA compliance readiness, paired with AES 256 encryption at rest, prove the platform is already engineered for high-tier data sovereignty. Applying traditional cloud surveillance economics to a Saudi megaproject instantly breaks the model. Paying to stream uncompressed video out of a stadium is incredibly expensive, and the legal consent and retention risks make it a non-starter. To secure a modern stadium while adhering to strict privacy laws, you must invert the architecture. The intelligence has to come to the stadium. Veestadium takes the opposite approach. The venue keeps everything. All video processing happens entirely on-site. Instead of servers in another country, localized processing hardware, called edge nodes, is installed directly at the camera clusters. Looking at this platform maturity chart, we see the engineering that makes this edge strategy possible. The high completion rates for real-time WebSocket infrastructure and core acoustic DSP engine demonstrate Veebase has the low latency pipelines to run complex inference locally. Keeping the data pipeline locked within the stadium walls turns a massive legal vulnerability into a secure, self-reliant system. Zero cloud egress means zero exposure. Running analytics locally allows Veestadium to enforce a strict computer vision rule: redact everything before it is ever saved. When a camera sees a face, it's immediately converted to an anonymized bounding box in RAM. The raw image is permanently destroyed. Only scrubbed data is written to disk, with every data access appended to a tamper-evident audit log. If the pipeline cannot guarantee redaction, it refuses to start. By design, the system physically prevents privacy law violations. With the privacy foundation secured, operations teams can finally use the data for its true purpose: understanding the flow of the crowd. Veestadium operates on a single venue-synchronized clock. This allows the platform to take live event data from the pitch and match it exactly to the anonymized flow data from the stands. This creates the match and crowd fusion timeline. If a striker scores a goal at exactly 23 minutes, the timeline immediately overlays that match event with a massive density spike in the North Concourse at that exact second. Connecting what happens on the field directly to how the crowd reacts gives operators clear cause and effect. They can stop reacting to isolated camera flashes and start predicting surges before they become dangerous. All of this intelligence feeds directly into the venue operations center. For Saudi stadiums, this surface is built in native Arabic. It uses a right-to-left architecture from the ground up, avoiding the layout errors of Western tools that just bolt on an Arabic translation as an afterthought. That deep localization extends to the fans, too. An integrated digital assistant backed by vVoice fields visitor questions in 5 languages, naturally defaulting to Arabic. True localization requires structural alignment. The software fits the people and the region it serves right out of the box. Veestadium delivers exactly what operations teams need: precise metrics on how many people are present, how dense the crowd is, and how fast they are moving, without ever needing to know who they are. Reading the conclusion of this V-compliance white paper, we see the broader vision at work: building a platform that understands Arabic regulations natively and runs entirely on the customer's own infrastructure. The future of compliance is autonomous. As Saudi Arabia executes Vision 2030, the infrastructure supporting its mega projects must be as sophisticated as the ambitions behind them. Veestadium proves that deep operational intelligence and strict human privacy do not have to be a trade-off. By engineering the platform for sovereignty from the hardware up, they are fused by design.